Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to fix Bosch dishwasher error E6900. This error indicates a faulty in the heating circuit. The dishwasher cannot heat the water to the required temperature. The common symptoms are cycle takes longer than usual. Sometimes the cycle stop or pause. Error return after a few minutes. For fixing the problem, simply follow these steps. Step 1, reset the dishwasher. Simply reset and clean temporary error. Then check power supply. Make sure the dishwasher is properly plugged in. Make your home's power supply voltage should be 22 to 24.0 watt in AC. Check water temperature. Low inlet water temperature may cause E6900 error. Then inspect heating element. Remove the bottom rat and lower spray arm. Check the heating element for burn marks, lime scale or damage. If open or may high element is faulty. Check NTC temperature sensor. Locate the NTC sensor, then disconnect the major resistance. Replace if reading it is very high or very low. Check wiring and connectors. Poor connection can cause heating fault. Then check control board. The heater relay on the control board may be faulty. Check for burnt component or relay. Faulty relay is equal to no power to the heater. Run a test cycle. If no error returns, issue is fixed. Monitor the cycle to confirm heating works. Things to avoid: do not run dishwasher with error. Do not bypass safety components. Do not ignore water leaks. After the fix, here are the some common issues can fix also. Here are some prevention tips. You can also follow those tips. NTC sensor check. Disconnect the NTC sensor. Measure resistance normal. If not in a range, replace the sensor. After these simple steps, if you find any trouble, you can also go to the link below. Tap to the link for more customer support. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.